Rock Solid Passion here with cut of the day. I am super excited, like always, to share this one with you guys. I found this one right here in the creek, not far from the house, and when I cut it, I was trying to cut it down the middle and kind of veered off to one side and ended up having to just face it because the other part broke. It was like weird shape, not so pretty rock. Got some little maybe quartz or chert going on there. Weird little indentations right there. Oh yeah, check that out. Really deep green and black colors running through it, and it's got some like real red brown, like a reddish brown at the top there. Look at those dendrites. They're at the bottom too. It's just really dark. Let's look at this banding. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Looks like it went down into here a little bit. It's just such a weird shape. It's like completely flat right there. See how straight. But those colors are just amazing. There we go. Now you can see a little better maybe. Look how pretty it is. It's the same similar material that I find a lot, that it's like maybe a quartzite or I don't know, sandstone with jasper in it. It's just sandstone that's silicated, solidified, solidified. I think I'm going to try to cut it one more time on the back. Not to get a full slice because it's too thin at the top here. But just enough to take off this end here. Yeah, see it on this side better. Take out that hump right there. Make like a little window. Well, maybe not. I don't know. That kind of looks cool right there. That big old X in it. Might just leave it like that. And it's definitely, I don't know how high of a polish that it'll take. I know it's going to take somewhat of polish because when it's dry, you can see, well, of course here where this quartz or chert, chalcedony, whatever that is that's running through there,